only gave the county assemblies 3 months. 3 months, we still have for 51 days with this document. But the other assemblies rushed and made their determination. Honorable Speaker, on this document of abstaining, there are a lot of irregularities first in BBI. And I want to take you to the transitional and consequential provisions. If you have that document, read on the delimitation of number of constituencies. It says, within the 6 months from the commencement date of this act, the Independent and Electoral Boundaries Commission shall subject to subsection 2, determine the boundaries of the additional 70 constituencies created in Article 89. 1. Using the criteria provided for in Article 81D and 87 subsection 7. If you look at this constitution,
thank you, Mr. Speaker, sir. I'm sticking to what you ruled. Yeah. That he has very good reports with him, but the time does not allow. Yeah. His 3 minutes is over. Thank you, Mr. Speaker.
The problem I might seem to be mutating, but I find Honorable Tena is also the Deputy Chief Whip. Proceed.
Thank you, Honorable Speaker. If you look at the Constitution of Kenya, the way PPI, the proponents of PPI are telling us, Article 87, subsection 7, it has not been provided here. It's not there. 87, subsection 7. So if we say there are a lot of errors also in this PPI, then that is actually what warrants us to abstain, because we can't return to the sender. We cannot return this document to the sender. What we are only expecting to do is just to abstain because there are a lot of errors.